I am unique. Hello, my friend. For the first time or once again, I am glad that you are here. Bottom line up front, Looplabs is in beta. It's just a bunch of loops. Let's get to it. Here we go. Ready to make music online? Looplabs is a free, easy-to-use, cloud-based music studio that lets you make music anywhere, anytime, together. I want to just look at the studio. What happens as far as music creation? Loading sound pack. Wow, this is taking a while. There we go. Sound library. All of the sounds to use in your songs are kept here. You will never be out of key or time. We're always adding new sounds. Okay. I think it's just loops. Let's call this track just loops. Oh boy, hold up. An error occurred while attempting to save. We have submitted a bug report to the powers that be. Okay, it needs to be simple. You shouldn't have to send a bug report to name your track. Maybe Looplabs does not have instruments. I'm a hopeful guy, and I'm going to ask our friends here, some random strangers on the internet. Hi is confident, hi. Does Looplabs have instruments or just loops? It's just a bunch of loops. Maybe I should change my profile picture. Maybe people think I'm a weirdo. Looks good to me, buddy. It's just a bunch of loops. Let's try and combine these two. Each loop has to have its own track. Oh man. Duplicate that one. Wait. CHOPPA. So you can chop samples. I have no idea how. Do I... Oh, okay, so what? Do you see this? Okay, so you can choose how many slices. And then these levels decide which sample it is. Get to the CHOPPA. Let's just grab a piano sound and see what it does. Let's just CHOPPA it. You must CHOPPA it. Yeah, something simple. That's kind of cool. Let's add a delay. Very quickly losing interest in this website. Very quickly, almost painfully. Nothing against Looplabs. It's just kind of wonky. Maybe we should switch up a mode. Night mode. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what we need. That's what we need. Okay, my favorite thing of this website is the CHOPPA thing. Can you take me seriously at all? It doesn't feel finished yet, I guess is what I'm saying. I feel like I'm testing something. Looplabs is in beta. That's not at all where it needs to be. This isn't bad. If for some reason you're interested in remixing or checking out my track on Looplabs because you want to see it for yourself, I've linked it in the description. The track is called Jammy Jams.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This just reminds me of the first time I used GarageBand or something. I was just dragging loops, just stacking loops. Like, I'm a producer. Oh.